Hey everyone, I'm just showing my car at night here. Well, it's really morning. I don't know why you can't see. Oh boy, what's this guy staring at? Somebody was looking at me. It's like really blue white in person. On camera it just doesn't show. Those are the low beams.
But it's such a wide variety on the spectrum. It turns out
You can't tell.
It's not an appropriate school for them. So they start the school that they can't use. Now they got to move out to New Jersey to find
the school they started was not appropriate for their kid.
That's right.
Alright, I'll make a better video. I just want to do oh yeah, this is with the lights off, just the parking lights.
Have you ever gotten any closer to figuring out what the hell causes this?
Oops, sorry. The door hit the camera. Those LEDs are pretty cool. Let's see if it focuses in. Yep. And those are LEDs. Down there, those are LEDs. And even the projector there, that's LED. Which I thought was a xenon when I first got the car, because I'd seen them in, small ones like that, but I'd never seen a round projector style LED. It's got LEDs up there, obviously. Pretty cool. A little bit of an upgrade going from halogens to LED. I skipped over HID. Anyway, alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.